Hi, this is Chris with MLC Performance Fabrication in Rensselaer, Indiana. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out the video on my car jacker pit lift. All right, so here we have my current car jacker pit lift. Now this one's in fluorescent orange. It has a 2 3/4 inch closed height side exit cylinder for maximum clearance to the car. You can drive over this thing forward, you can go backwards over it, and you will clear. It comes with 20 foot of hydraulic hose standard. I'm not gonna give you 8 foot, then try to upsell you into 20. I just give you what you need right off the bat. Now the hose is hard connected at the cylinder, JIC and O-ring fittings. And then you have a JIC on each end of the hose, a JIC swivel. 1/4 inch quick couplers, power pack into the hose for attaching it to the pump box. All the lifts come with the safety bars and the positioning handle. Now the positioning handle is 24 inches long, so that gives you plenty of handle to get out past the edge of the car. Now when the lift is extended, it's 20 inches tall. And with that 20 inches, you get roughly about 6 to 8 inches, depending on your car, underneath the left rear at full droop, and around 16 to 17 inches under your right side tires, front and rear, and your left front. Now, like in the last video, the power pack, it's all self-contained. It's a 12 volt, 2-function pump, power up, power down, quick fittings, that's pump connection. Now it'll come wired to take a lawnmower battery, but I also throw a set of top terminal adapters in if you decide to put the 26 series car battery in here. Pendant is replaceable here as well as there. So if anything happens to this thing, there's 2 different connection points for that pendant. So that's really handy. 2 amp trickle charger, hardwired into this socket here. So you just come right up, plug your generator straight into this, and away you go. So if you have this thing back at the shop during the week, you can just plug it into the wall and just let her go. That battery has no problem getting you through an evening at the track. It's not the 26 series car battery. Will get you about 2 maybe 3 seconds faster up travel and down travel. Now the pump itself can take ISO 22 and 32 hydraulic fluid as well as ATF. It can also use an ISO 15 in like deep cold conditions, but for what this lift is designed to do and when it's designed to be used, the ISO 22, 32 and the ATF will be your best options. Now if you're a customer that's having the lift shipped to you, I'll put a picture on here of how it looks when it's shipped. And there's a few things you need to check when you get it. These fittings here and here, the O-ring fittings going into the cylinder, I don't tighten. I leave them loose so I can position this thing in the box or on the crate, sorry. And it's not bolted here. It'll be bolted there, but not here. And then it'll be, this will all be extended up and shipped on its side. And then this is banded from the rod end of the cylinder here to the brackets. So you'll definitely need to, if you have it shipped to you, you'll have to tighten both these fittings. Now everything else, the hoses here, the connections here, they're already tight, they're already thread sealed. Same at the box. Now I do include, like, this little charger comes with some extra like dongle adapters. It just got like an alligator clip one. I throw them in here. Like I said, you have the top post battery adapter kit. It'll be in there. The paperwork for the charger, and I throw the operator's manual in for the pump. You can have them powder coated any color you want. The standard color for these is just like a machinery gray. Shipping, depending on where you're at, and as long as it goes to a business, they can usually be shipped for $225 to $245. All the information will be in the about section of the video for purchasing. If not, get a hold of me through Facebook. You can get a hold of me through Instagram. You can go to the website, MLCperformancefabrication.com. You can get these bare steel with the entire hydraulic system. You can get them powder coated standard color, and then it's $100 more on the powder coating for fluorescence. But that's gonna be it. Short little video introducing you to my pit lift, the carjacker. If you can, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you know when I upload new material. And I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.